Meaning of heavy-duty.
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 Heavy-duty. Heavy-duty refers to something that has been designed and built to withstand heavy use or extreme conditions. This term is commonly used to describe industrial or commercial equipment, such as heavy-duty trucks, machinery, or tools. Heavy-duty equipment is typically constructed using stronger materials, thicker components, and more powerful engines or motors to ensure it can handle the demands of its intended use. Additionally, heavy-duty equipment is often subject to rigorous testing and inspection to ensure its durability and strength. Overall, heavy-duty equipment is valued for its ability to perform under stress and withstand wear and tear over time.